Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of the bee launcher item in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the bee launcher looks like, and this is new item from the previous update. You can get this item from the event guys. For example, in this update you can get it from the vaulted event. You can find the clue, and after you find the clue you will get chance to get this bee launcher. And then I'm going to show you guys how we can use the bee launcher. Basically you can use it to shoot the brain rots, and it has 10 bullets. Okay, I've already used one of them, and yeah, you just need to click on the brain rots that spawn. Wait, I'm going to click this brain rots, and yeah, just like that, it can stun the brain rots which comes this way. And yeah, that's how you can use the bee launcher in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!